Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video another case for the Samsung Galaxy A12, and I've chosen again Poetic because they are doing very nice cases, by the way. It is a bit massive, I will show you it later, but the protection is very well. So I have here the Guardian series. This is a more compact case of Poetic, and yeah, let me insert it first. So this is how it works. So this is the bumper, so very flexible. And for the top, you have two choices. One with a built-in screen protection film already, what is very nice. But if you don't want to have one, or if you say, okay, I prefer glass, then they have given you another front for this. But let me take the one with the protection film in it. So, and we have to put the phone first like this. So make sure that you remove the dust at first from the screen, as well here from the front case, and then let us insert it like this. It's more difficult, it is better, is the protection. Okay, yeah, this is how it looks like at the end. It is still a bit massive, I have to say, but it's one of the compact cases here of them. Okay, but we have cutouts here for the microphone. We have a cutout for the speaker. We have a cutout here for the fingerprint sensor, what works very well, by the way. And also the protection film is not really bad. So you can have everything, and it feels like that there's no protection film on it, but there is a protection film on it, and that makes it very safe. Also, that the screen is very embedded, so if it fell like this, so nothing will happen. I will show you a drop test later also in that video. And yeah, this is the back. You have a glass on it, so you can see a bit more from your phone. Yeah, you can have this cases also in green and blue and pink, and of course in black. And yeah, let's have also a look here. You have some dust protection with some flaps here for the USB-C port and the audio jack. So pretty cool. But as I said, it is a bit massive, but yeah, it helps us for the drop test. Thank you so much for watching this video about the Poetic Guardian case here for the Samsung Galaxy A12. You can have it, of course, also for some other Samsung phones, as well for the iPhones and Google Pixel and so on and so on. The prices are between $20 and $30. It depends on your country. And yeah, I hope I could show you something more about this case here in case you want to buy it. And yeah, if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and yeah, maybe at the next time. Ciao.